Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and I bought this really cool display thing on Amazon. I was always struggling with trying to get the right setup for my YouTube thumbnails for my videos, and I was scrolling through trying to look for something, but I wasn't quite sure what I was looking for on Amazon. And then I saw these, so I ordered them, and I opened it already, so it's not in the box, but I want to set it up with you because I need to make a thumbnail for a video for my other channel, Darlene's Retired Life. And I want to show you how easy it is to set up, how many different varieties there are for background sheets. I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and let me show you. So this is called the Product Photography Backdrop, and it was only 20 bucks. All right, so it comes with this beautiful bag. It's a carry bag so that if I was to go on a trip and I wanted to take all of my things with me for crocheting, for filming a crochet video, it's an easy carry bag. And then inside, it also has this really nice, almost like a bubble wrap package to keep it nice and safe. And it also had a really small bubble wrap package that had these parts in it, but I just put it in a baggie and I'll show you what those are in a second. Okay, so let's take it out so I can show you. So this kind of looks like a game board, and it opens up like a game board. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take these pieces and you're going to take these little corner pieces, and they fit right on the corner like this, and then take another one so they just fit right on the corner like that. Okay, and now it stands out just as cool as that. And then we have these little clips that go on the corners. Come on, like that. See if you can see. They go on the corners like that. But not yet. Let me show you what they, did you hear that squeak? Let me show you what they hold up. This was the exciting part. Has all these different sheets. Look, a count. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 sheets, and either side is different. So that is 16 different backdrop designs that you can use. Here's the first one. It is this beautiful marbled look, and on the back side is this really neat pink, kind of like triangles all mixed together. It's really cool. Then you get a plain black one and kind of a teal blue color. And then we have like a black wood. And then we have this really pretty blue, like paint blotches background. Now this is really neat. This is kind of like I don't know what this is. Tell me, throw in the comments and tell me what you think. How would you describe this one? And then on the other side is the white brick. And then this one's really pretty. And this is the back side. And then we have kind of this soft, like pink or mauve color. And then this really soft, like beige or tan, sandy color. And then we have this brown, like a wooden floor, if you will, really pretty. And on the back side, like a black speckles. This reminds me of a traditional linoleum floor way back in the day. And remember when they had the big pink tile? Really pretty. So today I need to make a thumbnail for my video that I just did for my other channel. Like I said, Darlene's Retired Life, and I did a video on my skincare makeup routine. So I want to do a setup to make a thumbnail for that. So I am thinking where I have this makeup case that maybe that tan or rose colored, where is it? This one might look really pretty. Oh, maybe even this one. Maybe this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide the bottom pieces right in to those little corner slots that we put on there. Okay, so show you. See? Then we take this piece and we clamp it on the top. And it holds it secure. And then we are going to find something really nice for the bottom. I'm thinking maybe maybe that one might be nice. Which one would you have chosen? I think that's too much. Let's try this one. So I'm just going to slide this right underneath those corner bars. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right on the corner. And they gave you an extra piece, I don't know why, but that's okay. So there we go, I clamped. See the bottom pieces? All right, so this is what I decided on the display for my other channel. Now I want to show you for this crochet channel how I can use these backdrops for the thumbnails for those videos. So for that, we would want to change our background. And I am going to be using this vase with these flowers to display these hexagon granny squares. So I need something that's going to really complement that green. So I'm going to take these out. Really quick and easy. Just pinch these to slide those out and then just slide it right out from those little corner pieces. All right, so I am thinking, choices. Maybe these two. That might be nice. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. All right, so I'm gonna slide this right in here like this. And then clamp it. Like that. And then slide this one in like that. And then clamp it. All right, so after playing around, this is what I came up with. And I did a couple other arrangements. I'll put those pictures up here. But I think this is the one that I like the best. So if you have a crochet business or any other type of business that you need a little display area for it with different types of backdrops, then I would recommend this one. So comment below and let me know what you think. And until next time, bye.